this video, I'm going to show you how to start a TikTok caption and subtitle service in 2025. You've probably noticed captions are everywhere on TikTok, but most of them still look bad. They're off-center, they cover faces, or they're just plain boring. But captions aren't decoration, they're retention. They keep viewers watching longer, which is exactly what TikTok cares about most. So what if you turn fixing captions into a real side hustle this year? I'm Erin, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, simple systems, real income, no burnout. By the end of this video, you'll know if this side hustle is right for you and how to set it up step by step without overcomplicating things. Why captions matter. Let's set the stage. Why would anyone pay you to add text to a video? Here's the reason. On TikTok, captions equal watch time. Most people scroll with sound off. If a video doesn't have clear subtitles, they often leave. But captions done right keep people watching for 10, 20, even 30 extra seconds. That retention is what pushes videos into TikTok's algorithm. So when you offer a caption service, you're not just selling text, you're literally selling more watch time. And that's why creators will pay for it. Before we dive deeper, one quick tool mention, I recommend Submagic. It's an AI platform that auto-generates clean, perfectly synced captions and lets you style them to match any brand. It saves hours of editing so you can focus on landing clients and delivering videos. I'll drop my affiliate link below so you can check it out if you want an easy way to get started. How to package your service. So now that you understand what Submagic is, let's connect that knowledge to the actual service you can offer. This is where you turn a simple tool into a real business opportunity. Now that you know about the tool, let's talk about what you can actually sell. Creators don't pay for time spent captioning. They pay for results, videos that look polished and keeps viewers engaged. Here's a simple way to structure your packages with a quick description of each. Starter package, one video with captions, great for testing the waters. This is a simple, low commitment option that lets a client see the value of styled captions before committing to larger batches. Batch package, 5 per week, 1 template style. This is ideal for creators who post consistently and want a steady stream of caption videos. It gives you recurring work and gives the client a predictable flow of polished content each week. Pro package is 10 per week, 2 styles, 1 revision included. This option is designed for serious creators or brands who publish daily. It gives them flexibility with multiple styles and includes 1 round of revisions, making it perfect for ongoing content campaigns while keeping your workload structured. Rates range from $25 to $45 per video or $350 to $550 per week for batch packages. The key is clarity. When someone sees your offer, they should know exactly what they're getting. How to land your first clients. Start with TikTok itself. Search in a niche you understand, fitness, real estate, beauty, and look for creators with good content but no captions. DM them something simple like, hey, I captioned a 15-second sample from your video in your brand style. Want me to send it over? That one free example is your proof. If they like it, move them into a paid package. You can also post before and after examples on your own TikTok. Left side equals no captions, right side equals styled captions. Pin those posts. That's your portfolio without needing a website, bringing it all together. So at this point, you've seen how captions drive retention, how Submagic makes the process simple, how to package your service, and how to land your first clients. Before we wrap it up, let's clear up a few common questions. FAQ. Do you need advanced editing skills? No, Submagic does the heavy lifting. Can you caption for reels and shorts too? Yes, once your style is set, Submagic exports perfectly for all platforms. How long does one video take with templates? 5 to 10 minutes, way faster than most people think. Is this competitive? Not really. Most editors avoid captioning because it's tedious. That's why it's a great side hustle. Scaling your TikTok caption service. So what happens after you land those first few clients, because this is where a side hustle can turn into a steady income stream. Once you've got a couple of regular creators on board, your next move is to create simple systems so you're not working around the clock. Use shared folders, Google Drive or Dropbox, so clients can drop raw videos and grab finished ones without back and forth emails. Set clear delivery windows, like within 48 hours, so you control your schedule. You also want to build a quick intake form for new clients, name, niche, preferred caption style, so onboarding is frictionless. You can also add optional upsells without extra editing stress. Offer thumbnail, text, quick hook suggestions, or cross-posting to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Each add-on increases your value without adding much time per video. And if demand really grows, consider outsourcing overflow to other editors or virtual assistants. That way, you stay focused on client relationships and quality control while still taking on more work. This step isn't required on day one, but it shows you how the service can scale from a small side hustle to a repeatable business that earns while you sleep. All right, so we've covered a lot in this video, so let's tie it all together in one final recap before we close. Captions equal retention, and retention equals money. Submagic makes captions professional, fast, and scalable. You set clear packages so creators know what they're buying. You land clients with a single free sample, and you scale with simple weekly systems and boundaries. That's how you start a TikTok captions and subtitle service in 2025. The link for Submagic is in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you use it, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. If this gave you a clear next step, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the niche you'd target first. I'd love to see what industry you'd caption for, and remember, most people scroll past captions without even thinking. But when you turn that into a business, you're the one cashing in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.